project is that?
The plant cell. This is the drawing, and this is the actual project that I'm doing.
Oh, excuse me.
And I'm just doing my research because I already figured out and did my project.
You mean like you know the different parts of the cell?
Yes.
And you're working on finding out the functions of each of those parts?
Correct.
Do you know? Okay. Do you know which? Can you name some of those parts over there?
So this.
Can you bring it here closer and can you name some?
This is the nucleus.
Where? Point to the nucleus.
The nucleus is right here.
Oh, you sure that's the nucleus?
No, the nucleus is.
I thought so. And what were you pointing to?
I was pointing to the cytoplasm.
Okay. And those green little. Mm-hmm.
This is the.
What's that one?
This is the chloroplast, and the white stuff is the vacuole.
Do you know the function of any of those parts yet?
I'm still learning, but I only know what the vacuole does.
Okay, what does the vacuole do?
It holds food, water, and I think it releases waste.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, we'll come back to...
And this, it pushes it together, but not all around the place.
Pushes what together?
The cells, but just a little bit apart.
You're talking about the cytoplasm holding the pieces in their certain